Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful seasonal treat that's perfect for the fall. If you're a nail art enthusiast looking to elevate your manicure game this autumn, you're in for a treat because we're featuring the best nail stickers for nail art this fall. The Pyre GJN Fall Nail Art Stickers. These stickers are a must-have for anyone who loves a bit of creativity on their nails, especially as we embrace the cozy vibes of the season. Packed with charm, these self-adhesive stickers come in a set of 6 sheets, each adorned with playful autumn-themed designs. You'll find adorable squirrels, shimmering gold maple leaves, cheerful pumpkins, and rustic pine cones that capture the essence of fall. Just imagine how these little decorations can transform your nails into a canvas that celebrates the season. What's great about these stickers is not only their eye-catching designs but also their user-friendly nature. They're self-adhesive, which means no need for messy glues or complicated application techniques. Just peel them off with a pair of tweezers, stick them on your nails, and voila! You have a stunning fall-themed manicure in just minutes. Whether you're preparing for a Thanksgiving party or simply want to embrace the cozy vibes at home, these nail stickers are perfect for any occasion. And if you want them to last a little longer, just apply a top coat over the stickers for added protection and shine. When it's time to change up your look, don't worry. These stickers are easy to remove. All you need is some nail polish remover, and they come off without any hassle. It's a great way to experiment with different styles without the commitment. Now, let's talk about the materials. These stickers are made from reliable, non-toxic materials, ensuring they are safe for everyone, whether you're treating yourself or gifting them to a friend. They're suitable for women, kids, and anyone who loves a bit of fun with their nails. So, if you're looking for a fun, creative way to express your love for fall and enhance your nail art collection, the Pyre GJN Fall Nail Art Stickers are definitely worth considering. They not only provide an easy application but also let you create beautiful designs that are sure to impress. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to grab your set. Let your nails shine bright this fall with these delightful stickers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting product reviews, and let us know in the comments your favorite fall nail art designs. Until next time, keep your nails fabulous and happy crafting.